I'm Zerabal. My York number is CRK25A1023. I'm here to explain the practical number 12. These include the two header files, standard input output, and math touch. This code is to calculate the distance between 2 points using an inline function. First, we include the math library so we can use the mathematical function like a square term and static line, inline float distance, float x1 and float y1, float x2, float y2. Uses the distance formula. So formula equal to root x square minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Calculate the horizontal difference, calculate the vertical difference, squares both terms, and adds the takes square root using the square term. Returns the final distance c, and program execution begins here. Float x1, y1, x2, y2. Ask the user to enter the first point, scanf, and ask the user to enter the second point, scanf x2, y2. And I calls the inline function distance x1, y1, x2, y2, calculate the distance, print the result with two decimal places, percentage dot 2f. And the example output is the distance between the point is 2.83. At the areas, first we include the standard input output library. It defines a macro concept named pi. Whatever the compiler sees pi, it replaces it with 3.14. Inline functions, static inline float or rectangle, float length, float breadth, rectangle, return length breadth, area equal to length into breadth, inline function to calculate the area of the circle. Formula uses pi macro. Remain declares the variable to store rectangle and circle dimension. Print f enter the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Scan of percentage of, and length and breadth. Reads the radius of the circle and displays the result. Print area of the rectangle equal to percentage dot 2f slash n, and area rectangle equal to length breadth. Calls the area circle, computes circle's area using formula pi r square, and prints the result with two decimal points at the end of the program. And the radius area of the rectangle is 16 and the area of the circle is 13. Thank you.